Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best Daizu Ebike kit in this video? I will show you the top 3 best Daizu Ebike kit to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected a Motor 3.0 Ebike Kit. Specifications: brand name, Daizu Ebike. Max speed, 30 to 50 km per hour. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 26. Wattage, 251 to 350 W. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 36 volts. The item number 2 is EU Stock Ebike Conversion Kit. Specifications: wattage, 251 to 350 W. Foldable, no. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 36 volts. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Bafang Motor Kit. Specifications: brand name, Daizu Ebike. Range per power, 31 to 60 km. Frame material, aluminum alloy. Motor, brushless. Wheel size, 26. Wattage, 251 to 350 W. Power supply, lithium battery. Voltage, 36 volts.